Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to change your video license in YouTube. By adjusting your video license, you can determine how others can use and share your content. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. Navigate to the Content section where you can manage and edit your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. Choose the specific video for which you want to change the license. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the video, click on the Details tab to access its settings and information. Step 5. Click on Show More. Scroll down the page and click on the Show More option to reveal additional settings. Step 6. Scroll down to License. Keep scrolling until you find the License section. Here, you can select the desired license option for your video. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the license for your YouTube videos, allowing you to have more control over how your content is used and shared. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.